This 2022 Forest River Cedar Creek 345 IK triple slide island kitchen, rear living is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, skylight, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cedar Creek 345 IK triple slide island kitchen, rear living is 12,146 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.